Before you hook up your home with Broadband Now or switch providers, you should know how much speed you need. Otherwise, you may wind up overpaying or watching a lot of video that looks like this. I'm Jenna Borden for Broadband Now, the most comprehensive resource for internet plans, pricing, and coverage. When it comes to cruising the internet, no one wants to pay sports car prices when all you need is commuter car speed. On the other hand, you don't want to fly across the World Wide Web like this. The physical method used to connect you with the internet, like fiber, can determine your top speed. Our bandwidth calculator is designed to help you figure out your needs before you commit to a specific connection and provider plan. Just tell us how many people in your household use the internet, then the number of devices you plan on using. If you're getting the kids tablets for the holidays or a laptop, include them in your total. As the number of devices changes, so will the recommended bandwidth you need, measured in megabits per second or Mbps. Then estimate how often your household uses their devices. If you're not sure, it's best to overestimate. A few simple usage questions and you're ready to get your results. The best part, once you know your needs, type in your zip code and you'll see which providers in your area offer the speed you need and which don't. If you don't want to become roadkill on the information superhighway, try our bandwidth calculator before you order internet service. To see all of your broadband options, type in your zip code at Broadband Now, which helps millions of consumers each year find and compare local internet service providers.